Have you ever wondered how to get your product and get others to affiliate for you? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you assign the affiliate link or assign people to affiliate the course for you or your own product. Do you understand? So stick to the end of the video. Don't skip any part, otherwise you get confused. Head down to your browser and type seller.co. This is the first website we're going to go for. Then you're going to tap start selling with seller. So it's going to take you here where you're going to register, put in your email and put in your name and put in your password and create an account. Now it's actually very simple to create an account. You just the same process of creating any account is that simple. You do all the verifications. Let me head to one of my accounts and I'll show you guys how the dashboard is going to be on that account. Go to my own dashboard from this account. So with this particular account, you can see I have all product here 11. I have made a sale for this month, and then here I have 7 customers in this account. So you can come here and tap this place here for the menu option. When you tap here, you see all the menu option you have, how you can tweak your store and everything. So we're done creating our account. The next thing we have to do is to get the product that we're going to put there and have the affiliate for us. So now this is digital product that over 100 plus digital materials here. These are courses, these are live courses and ebooks, valuable courses and ebook, and this is what we are going to be using. I have already finished packaging all of them, so for people to get access to when they purchase it. So you can see there's a lot of, let me just enter one. Let's enter this first one, this data is selling. So you can see when you tap on it, you now tap on it and you can see this is the whole course, and this is what we're going to package. This is just one of all of this 100 plus courses that we are going to be the link to that material or that course is going to be in the video description. It's just 1,000, you pay for it here. So that is going to give you access to 100 courses and materials that you could use. Or there are some people that don't have 1,000 naira to spare, which I know is a lie, but for you that don't have 1,000 naira to spare to buy that particular product and get all access to the 100 courses there and you can resell, you could use my free ebook. It's going to be in the description below. Also, this is the free ebook here, so you could use it and try out exactly what I'm about to show you. See, if you pay attention to this, there's no how you're not going to make, even if it's one sale, even if it's just 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 10,000 naira, there's no how you're not going to make one sale as a beginner. Just pay attention to exactly what I'm doing. Now guys, let me tell you something. To make money online is very simple, but you need to understand certain things. First is you need to get something that someone needs, and if the person needs it, then how do you convey an information or how do you communicate this product to the person that needs it properly, for the person to understand that okay, this guy, I'll buy from this guy, not the other person that doesn't know how to communicate. So that is the thing you have to follow and to do. And how you organize your product, how you convey the copy is what makes you stand out from other people. How you also convey your information through, let's say, the content you make. How you make the content is what determines whether people are going to take action. Now, when you're making a content, not everybody is going to buy from you. That's one thing you should understand. But try as much as possible to make your content engaging, make people like it, make people save it, and then make people want to buy it. So just try as much as possible to make it that way. So now let's continue. Let's go to package the product and make it accessible for people to buy, and then make our product accessible for resellers to resell. Now the next thing you have to do is to come to your notepad and write down strategically the things you're to do. So you see, this is to-do list. So you see, the first thing now we have to go for is a flyer. We have to make a flyer. Then after a flyer, we'll make a copy. After a copy, we'll now make an access link, and then we'll now make content for the ads. That is for the advertisement. So now the first thing is flyer. So we're going to go to make a flyer. Now this is what we're going to be using to make our flyer. It's called Pixel Lab. See it here, this one, this Pixel Lab here, this one. So go to your Play Store and download it, and then you open it. So we're going to open it. You're going to say, so what you're going to do is come to this plus. Let's just make it fast. Come to this plus here, this one here. When you go to the plus, you're now going to go to from gallery for the flyer. Let me look for this flyer. Let's go to images. Let me look for the flyer. I search for the flyer here. I just search from gallery, and then this is what you're going to do. Then you just tap on good. So this is the flyer here. So you're just going to tap here and then increase the size. So what you can do now is now to change everything. So what we're going to do now is now come here to this plus. I'm just showing you how to do graphic design just fast. And then you tap on this and then go to shapes. You see shapes. So now when you have a shape, so you can now do like this to cover the certain places that you don't want. Like this place that is showing my name, you could just bring this down here, and then you place it there like that and cover it. And then you can change the color here. You can change the color here. This you can change the shape here, and then you could come down to change the color here. You can see, so you can just touch it, change whatever color you want. So let's go for yellow and then tap on good, and then good. So what you could also do is to create another shape and then make it this way to cover the price that you want, to put another new price. So you can see what I'm doing. So you could now, let's say, take the radius and then the color, you could change it also, and then tap on good. And then what you're going to do now is to come here, tap on this place here. So what you're going to do here is now come to this place. I'm just showing you guys this thing. You see all of this like padlock stuff like that. So what you're going to do is just to lock it. You tap on it to lock it. So what you're doing now is to then now tap on this other option again to take it back here. You can see, you just tap on it, and you can see that even if you touch the screen, it's not going to move. Nothing's going to move. So what you're going to do now is now come to this plus again up here. Let's plus again up here, and then you tap on it, and then you now come to text. So here you can now bring this text here, and then double tap on the text, and then put your new price that you want to resell it. That is, if you don't want to sell it at 1,000, you want to sell it at 10, because those product courses are wolf courses, and you could really sell those courses for over 100 plus. So those are the value of all of those courses packed together. So you could just come here, and then let's say you want to sell it for 10,000. You are as a beginner, sell it low as a beginner. Let's say 5,000 or 10,000, yes. Or you could just start with 1,000. Just do anything that you want to do depending on your marketing strategy. So you can just leave it like this. You tap on it. Yeah, you could leave it like this. Okay, you will now come down to this A. So this A is what influences text. So when you tap on this A, you can now come slide to, let's say, color, and then you now change the color to whatever color you want, and then you're good to go. And then when you're done editing everything, you could just do the same thing to this number here. You can change this number. You just take another box and cover it, and then change it to whatever. And then so what you have to do next now, when you want to take out your picture, is to come to this place up here, and then just tap on share, and then here tap on PNG, and then here tap on ultra, and then just save to gallery, and it's automatically going to get access to this flyer that we just edited when you purchase that course that you use. That is, if you want to use that. So now let me explain something to you guys. Success is replicable. That means you could copy success. Do you understand? If you find someone that is doing something that you want to achieve, just get to understand and observe what that person is doing, and copy some things, and just put in your own little flavor while you're looking at him and doing exactly what he's doing. So now let me show you guys how to do. The next thing we have to do now is now get our copy from the to-do list. So let me show you guys what to do and how to copy successful people. This is called web.facebook.com.ads manager. If you know it, fine. If you don't know it, I'm going to leave the link to this. So just copy this exactly how it is, and then let's open it on a browser. This helps you do is just to observe what other people are doing, the ads that they are running, and to understand what your competitors are doing. So simple. What you're going to do now is now come here. If you're using a system, it's going to be perfectly fine. I'm using a phone and it's really crowded, so sometimes it hooks a little, but let's see. So you tap on this all category, and then tap on all ads, and then you now come here to this search, and then tap on digital marketing. Digital marketing. Good. So you tap on digital marketing and then you tap on search. So let's search for all the people running advertisements with digital marketing or on digital marketing. So let's just zoom out so we could see them. Let's wait for it to load. Good. So now you could see this is all the people running, let's say, a product on digital marketing. So what can you do and why are you here? Very good and simple. What you have to do is to observe people that are running ads here, and whoever is running ads here, that means he did a very good job to do a good flyer, do a good copy, and a good access link or so because there's no ads that's going to be accepted if the ad is not good. So you're getting the point. So now let's see this free training on that, and let's tap on it, and then you see, so you can see something like, do you want to learn complete skills to sell your product online? So you see, this is something that we can use. This is something that we can use as a copy. You understand? So what you could do is just to copy this. So you just hold on this side. If you're satisfied with this, you could copy all of this here, and then you just copy it and then take it to you now drop it here. Good. So now, but this is one thing that I did. This is another person that I copied here. You can see I copied it and then I now took it, changed it to my own stuff. Do you understand the importance of copying someone that has done what you're supposed to do right? Is that you reduce the chances of making mistakes. Do you understand? Now make sure when you copy someone, you always edit something, you touch something. Do you understand? So don't just copy exactly everything and plagiarize someone's work. So when you copy everything, edit it. Make sure you edit it to what you want to convey. Do you understand? Good. So now, depending on whatever you want to sell the product to, that is what you search. So let's say you want to sell a course or product on, let's say, makeup. Make sure you type in makeup, and then you get to copy the copy. Do you understand? You get to copy the copy for makeup write-ups. That is for advertisements when it comes to the written words. So make sure you copy that and then put whatever you want to market. Go to the internet and research on competitors that are way ahead of you. Copy what they are doing, put in your own thing, and then that is how you get. So guys, the video is already lengthy and we're going to stop here, but we are going to continue in the part 2 of this series. So now guys, in the part 2, what we're going to do is to first of all make access link, and then second is to make content. I'm going to give you guys access to the content that I've made that you can use to market this particular product here. But I'm also going to teach you guys how to make content in the part 2, and then how to assign affiliates to affiliate your products in the part 2. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and then turn on the notification bell so that when I drop the part 2, you're going to get notified. See you guys in the next class.